Let's be honest, when you think of hospital food, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Tasteless, bland, colourless, or perhaps even unhealthy? Well, here at Sunway Medical Centre for the past 20 years, both chefs and dietitians work closely together to create healthy and delicious restaurant-style meals for their patients and visitors. And I'm going to take you behind the scenes of their kitchen to show you how these wholesome meals are prepped. Every day, the kitchen prepares an average of 4,000 meals. The meats are halal and locally sourced. From the marination stage to the preparation of the vegetables, which are triple washed to ensure the food quality are of the highest standards. The meals are seasoned with herbs and spices to reduce on sugar and sodium while retaining their natural flavors. They're also less processed and are free of MSG. The chef makes sure that each meal served has no less than 5 colors to ensure their patients are getting their daily nutrients. And each meal you see on this train line has been approved by a dietitian before it is served to the patient. I'm here with Michelle Gunn, Sunway Medical Centre's dietitian, to speak about the different types of meals offered by the hospital. Michelle, I was in the kitchen just now, overlooking the entire process, and I have to say that Sunway Medical makes healthy food really exciting. One of the really important points which we want to highlight is that healthy food is meant to be eaten every single day, correct?
That's right. You can have your cheat days, but it is important that you practice healthy eating even after you have recovered or been discharged from the hospital.
And these meals are so simple to prep. I mean, just looking at all these ingredients,
Colorful.
So colorful, exactly.
Yeah, so exciting, right?
And that's what we want for our body.
Yeah.
Lots of colors, lots of vegetables to nourish our body.
Yeah. So a typical patient meal will consist of soup for starter, followed by a healthy bowl of green salad, a portion of protein such as chicken, fish, or even a vegetarian option, which is served with rice and more vegetables. And lastly, dessert.
So this is a complete set which you will serve to a patient.
Yes, in Sunway Medical Centre, we have different menus offered to suit all our patients' needs. The two more common options are the regular menu and the therapeutic menu. In total, there are over 20 therapeutic menus to cater to patients with different dietary needs, such as diabetic, hypertension, or even patients with chronic kidney disease.
So for instance, for a diabetic patient, can they eat something like this, for instance? Or how would you alter it to suit their needs?
Well, for diabetic patients, we usually serve green leafy salad, which is a good source of fiber for patients. But we will also avoid serving something starchy, such as potato salad. For protein, the chicken here is oven cooked in our combi oven, which means no deep frying is involved. As you saw in the kitchen earlier, the gravy actually only consists of fresh ingredients, herbs and spices, hence it will not affect their sugar level so much. As for the rice, besides giving our patients the option to choose between brown or white rice, you can also notice the difference in portion here. This plate here is a regular portion which weighs about 210 grams, and this plate is a diabetic portion which is about 170 grams. Slightly lesser than a regular portion.
Hey!
Yeah.
Guess what? I'm excited to try this. It looks so delicious and it's healthy.
How is it?
It's really good. It's full of flavor at the same time. I love the texture. So you get the crunchiness from the vegetables. Nothing is overcooked. And this is healthy.
Yes, so you actually don't have to sacrifice the flavor when it comes to healthy meals, right? You still can easily prepare at home.
Yeah. These are healthy meals which we all should be cooking and eating at home, not just in the hospital. So Michelle, if someone needs advice and also guidance in regards to their diet as well as lifestyle, where can they reach?
If anyone needs dietary or nutrition advice, they can get in touch with Sunway Medical Centre's Dietetics and Nutrition Services by contacting our hospital's general line or visit sunwaymedical.com for more information.
Thank you so much, Michelle. I had such a great and informative day going in the kitchen as well as prepping all these meals with you.
Thank you very much for coming all over here and share all this to the people out there, that the hospital meals doesn't have to be colourless, tasteless and bland.
Correct. They are delicious and healthy.